Kumla pi iwe perlok jonga kamtam subscriber ki like share ki view ki jong pi jong ni snap khandiat ya ka jingkren jui Bah Ardent namar ba ka sorkar kam ailad ya ka jingkren hapo ka ying dorbar sepang ka jingjia hatang sko ka jing yap jong ki tuki lai pho ngut ki breu hapo ka tei ka kwari bap theu dynamite jangan ni snap khandiat ya ka jingkren jui Bah Ardent play sibon.
Going by the records of the outcomes, from these commission being constituted by the government from time to time. Latest, the commission constituted to find out the reason that led to the killing of the former General Secretary of the HNLC. Where is the outcome? Where have we, reached? So, going by the records, going by the history, we feel that we cannot expect much. Except there is time for everything. There is time where the government can brush all the problems under the rock, right? But, when nature decides to unveil the truth, no one will be able to brush that issue under the carpet. The time where the government will deny is over, Now everybody, all the nation came to know that illegal extraction of coal were taking place in Meghalaya. This is not the first incident, unfortunate incident, where precious lives have been claimed by some mishaps in the coal belt area. We should not forget, once the coal mines was flooded with water. That also was the case. And to our surprise, when the government, when some of the ministers expressed that they were shocking that there is an illegal extraction of coal in the state. They were shocking to learn that those trucks are carrying coal. You see, how long can you deny? The government may deny, but the people knows it, the hills know it, the river knows, because they were affected by these illegal extraction of coal during these past 12 years. Can you imagine that after 12 years of the ban imposed by NGT, the government, till after that unfortunate incident, decided, to give a statement in the House that we will not tolerate, we will not go soft with those who are engaged in illegal extraction of coal. When they are themselves involved in the nexus, do you think that all these illegal transaction or extraction or illegal coal business will be able to take place without the knowledge of those who are in the government? If the government feel that yes, we have nothing to do with this illegal coal business, then why don't they straight away take action against the head of all these districts where the coal has to pass, the DC, the SP of all these 4-5 districts? Transfer is too lenient an action after so many lives have been claimed.